Welcome back to the Daily Leetcode Breakdown. Today we are looking at a surprisingly simple math problem called maximum total subarray value 1. Before we start, if you get confused at any point, just pause and drop a question in the comments below. I always make sure to reply. Here is the official problem page, but it is a bit wordy, so let me break down exactly what it's asking us to do. We are handed a list of numbers and an integer target that we will call k. Our job is to select exactly k subsections from this list, and here is the best part. We are totally allowed to pick the exact same subsection over and over again. For every subsection we pick, we calculate its score by taking the biggest number inside of it and subtracting the smallest number. Our ultimate goal is to figure out the absolute highest total score we can get after making our k choices. Let's dive right into the greedy approach, which is the perfect way to solve this. The biggest hint hidden in the rules is that we can pick the exact same sequence multiple times. Because of that, the optimal strategy isn't complicated. We just need to find the single highest scoring subsection and simply select it k times in a row. So that begs the question, what is the maximum possible score any single subsection could ever give us? Think about it logically. The biggest difference between two numbers in a small chunk of the list cannot possibly be larger than the biggest difference across the entire list. Therefore, the absolute highest score possible is simply the global maximum of the whole array minus the global minimum. And because we can just highlight the entire array and call that our subsection, we are 100% guaranteed to be able to hit this maximum score. So the logic to solve this is incredibly short. First, we just scan through the list to find the absolute smallest number. Second, we do another quick scan to find the absolute largest number. Finally, we subtract the smallest number from the largest to get our best score, and multiply that score by k. Here is the exact Python code from the editorial. We find the minimum, call it m1, find the maximum, call it m2, and return the difference times k. It really is that simple. For time complexity, it is order n, where n is the length of our list. This is because we only need to scan the list to find the biggest and smallest numbers. The space complexity is constant, or order 1. We only need to store a couple of numbers in memory, regardless of how huge the input list gets. What about edge cases? What if the list only has one single number inside it? In that case, the maximum and minimum are the exact same number, so their difference is 0, which is handled perfectly by our math, without crashing. The biggest takeaway from this problem is to always stop and ask yourself if there is a mathematical upper bound you can hit, instead of trying to manually simulate every single combination. By the way, if you want to copy this exact code without typing it all out, you can find it on my website, leetcodeunlocked.com, via the link in the description. Also, you can probably tell this is an AI voice. I built this tool to instantly explain problems to myself so I can study faster. I recently updated these videos to be much more visual and fast-paced using these microslides. Please let me know what you think of this new format in the comments, and don't forget to ask any questions you have there too. As always, I want to make sure you have the solutions in other popular languages too. Here is the Java version. We use a loop to find the max and min, then do the same math. Notice we cast to a long to prevent overflow. Next up, here is the full code in C++. We use the standard library min element and max element functions to keep it super clean. And finally, here is the JavaScript implementation doing the exact same manual loop logic. Before we finish up, I have another channel called Leetcode Unlocked. I am on a massive mission to post a solution for literally every single Leetcode problem on the platform. If you'd like to help support that goal, consider donating at buymeaboba.com/leetcodedaily. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will catch you in tomorrow's breakdown.